In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to delete a domain in GoDaddy. We begin our journey on the GoDaddy website. First, you'll need to sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate your way to your domain portfolio. Here you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. It's time to make a selection. Choose the domain you wish to delete, and with that selection, you'll be taken to the settings page of the specific domain. With the settings page on your display, you'll need to initiate the deletion process. This is where we start delving into the more advanced features. Scroll down until you spot the Advanced section. Within the realm of Advanced, you'll find the Delete Domain button. This is the button you need to click. You might think that once you've clicked the button, it's all done. However, GoDaddy puts important measures in place to ensure the deletion is intentional. So once you've clicked the Delete Domain button, a confirmation dialog box will appear. This box will contain information about the potential effects of your action. It will state that any products connected to the domain, like email or websites, will stop working once the domain is deleted. It's important to read this carefully and understand exactly what you're agreeing to. If you're absolutely certain you want to proceed, select the checkbox next to "Yes, I consent to delete the selected domains" and click Continue. The security measures do not end with the consent checkbox. If your domain has domain protection activated, GoDaddy will ask you to verify your identity before the deletion process can continue. You'll need to enter the code from your Authenticator app, or use the one-time password sent directly to your account's registered email address. Once all these steps have been successfully completed, your part of the process comes to an end. After verification, the domain will be scheduled for deletion, and GoDaddy does the rest. Once the deletion is complete, a confirmation message will pop up for your assurance. Keep in mind that the deletion of your domain might leave some of your connected products hanging without a home. So, there'll be a need for these products to be either manually canceled or reassigned to another existing domain. That's it. You now know how to delete a domain in GoDaddy. Remember to carefully review your action before carrying it out, as a deleted domain might not be recoverable.